Back to what I was saying. Today, I will be teaching you how to use an app that will teach you how to do those amazing effects like the one you just saw. The app we will be using is called Action Movie Effects. It's available to download on the App Store. Okay, so we are currently in the app Action Movie Effects. This is the Star Wars section. Let's rather go to the All section because that's where we're going to find the thing we need. So we will be using the Spider Strike, and we just click on it and then we get into it pretty much. So when you're recording, you want to get a perfect angle, and once you do, you just click the record button. So it might take a while, but you really need to get this perfect angle, otherwise it's not going to look good. So once you get the perfect angle, you just click the record button. So yeah, and once it turns green, it means that you've done it for at least 5 seconds, which is the minimum, and it's a good video. And normally after that time, I would just stop recording. So this bit, you can change where you want the effects if you really want, but otherwise I would just head on and make the movie. And then, yeah, pretty much. So once it's made, you've got the option to view it, and this is the movie, I guess. Now, normally you're going to want to share the movie to your camera roll so you can use it for movies or anything, like I will for this. And it just has to compress, won't take too long. Then it will come up with a thing saying how you want to share it. And I normally would save it as video, so I just click on that. Also, when it gives you the option to share the movie, share it as a movie, not as a GIF. It just works better for me, I feel like. So if you want to see, this is it. I normally watch it again, watch it twice sometimes. So this is the actual thing, the final thing. Okay, so now that I've told you a lot about Action Effects, I suggest you go and explore it for yourself. There are plenty different scenes that you can use. They're really easy to use and stuff. If you could, please subscribe and leave a like because it really does help me out. I put a lot of effort into these videos and I really hope that you do enjoy.